show you how to make a paper flower or a paper rose. Tomorrow is Mother's Day, so this is a great gift. And I will show you in a step-by-step process. It's super easy, it's super simple, so yeah. And before we begin, please press that subscribe button. We really want more subscribers, so be one of our subscribers. And let's get started. Okay, so I'm showing you what you're going to need. So you're going to need 4 pieces of square paper. These are 5 inches by 5 inches. The ones that I'm showing you are 5 inches by 5 inches. If you want bigger or smaller ones, that's up to you. So I'm going to take one of my square pieces of paper and I'm going to fold it in half. So here you go. So here's the half. Fold it in half again, like this. And then again. So now make this outline that we have here. Okay, so I'm going to cut it out like you see here. And then cut off this tip so there will be a hole when you open it. Okay, so I'm going to cut off one petal. So I'm just going to set these aside. So I'm going to take another piece of the square papers and I'm going to repeat the same process like I had done in the beginning, and I'm going to make this go a little quicker. Okay, so after all that, we have our second one here, and now we're going to cut off 2 petals this time, not 1 but 2. So watch this. Okay, so we have these now, and we are going to set these aside. Again, I'm going to take another one of the square papers and I'm going to repeat the same process like I had done in the beginning, and I will show you the next steps in a few moments. Okay, now this is the third one, and I'm going to cut out 3 petals this time, like this. Okay, so now we have these, and we're going to set these aside. Okay, so I'm going to take the last square paper and I'm going to repeat the same process just like I had in the beginning, and this is going to go a little quicker. Okay, so this is our last one, and I'm going to cut out 4 petals this time, just like I'm showing you now. Okay, so we have these here, and I'm going to put them with the others. Okay, so I'm going to take out the largest one. going to put glue on one of the petals, and then I'm going to attach one petal to the other. Okay, so one down, and then we have the rest of them to go. Okay, so here we go again. I'm going to repeat the same process with the other ones. Here we go again. I'm going to speed this up. Here we go again. I'm going to speed this up. Here we go again. I'm going to speed this up. Here we go again. I'm going to speed this up. Okay, so now this is the one with the two petals, and I'm going to put glue on just a little bit of one of the petals and then attach it to the other side, like this. Okay, so this is the one with only one petal, and I'm just going to put, like the last one, a little bit of glue and then try to, twirl it up like this. Okay, so this is what they look like, as you can see here, and I will show you the next steps. So I'm going to take the biggest one, and I'm going to put some glue on like the inside parts, and then I'm going to take the next smaller piece and I'm going to put it inside. I'm going to do this repeatedly until I get something that looks like a flower. So just watch this and I think you'll get it. Okay, so this is how mine turned out to be. I think it looks great. You can even curl the petals if you want. I think this is a great craft to do. It's great for any occasion, just like Mother's Day, and you can even decorate with these flowers. Yeah, so it's a pretty simple craft to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned from this video, and please subscribe to our channel. Please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time in one of Smart Apple's next videos. Bye!